Okay, we are going to watch this video, and it doesn't talk, so I'm going to talk over the video as it goes, but I turned the music off because it was really loud and kind of annoying. So today we're going to talk about transition words and phrases. We kind of started them yesterday, so today we're going to do a little practice with that. It says, what are transition words and phrases? They are words that help ideas in writing to flow. It says, examples of transition words. Therefore, as a result, in conclusion. These are kind of some words that you could see in the 4th grade that you would insert. You might see however, in fact, then. I'm sure some of you right now are thinking of some words that you've seen before that were transition words that you could insert. Consequently, lastly, in fact, for example. We're going to see for an example quite a bit where we use that in a sentence to give an example. After that, in the same way, soon, yet. So you're noticing that all these words are more than just your first, next, last, then. It says to figure out which transition will go best, first you need to read the sentence before it. We have to know what is happening in the story. So here we go. Let's look at an example that we would see on like a test. And you've seen the question like this yesterday. So we have however, also, for example. This question says sentence 4. That means you will first need to read sentence 3. Like, I don't know what to insert if I don't know what the sentence is about. Sally wanted to go shopping. She decided not to because the mall was too crowded. Okay, even though it asks about sentence 4, we have to read sentence 3 to understand. So she wanted to go shopping. She decided not to because the mall was too crowded. So let's see which one of these would go best. I want you to, if you need to pause the video, do that and see which one do you think inserts in there the best. It says, I try out each answer choice by reading it between the 2 sentences. So let's try it with choice A. Sally wanted to go shopping. However, she decided not to because the mall was too crowded. It says, however, is just a fancy word for but. Okay, so that kind of sounded good. Sally wanted to go shopping. Also, she decided not to because the mall was too crowded. Does that make sense? I don't think so either. Sally wanted to go shopping. Therefore, she decided not to because the mall was crowded. It says, therefore is just a fancy word for so. So, she decided not to because the mall was too crowded. Sally wanted to go shopping. For example, she decided not to because the mall was too crowded. They're not giving me an example of somebody doing something. So let's see what they decide. What do you think? However, also, therefore, or for example. Correct answer is A, however. However, she decided not to. And there, remember, we could say, but she decided not to because the mall was too crowded.